Dear students, I have taught you physics under the name of rational concept for education. I had made up my mind to take chemistry also so that your better future may be built. Okay? मतलब बेटर फ्यूचर बनाने के लिए हम लोग केमिस्ट्री को भी लेके चलना है टू गेट द सक्सेस इन कमिंग competitive exams like medical test or engineering test. Okay, so first of all I have thought that numerical problem in chemistry are considered as hard by students, so I have to start it since the class 9. Okay, since the class 9 I will start, and very fast we will go towards the level that is 11th and class 12th level. Okay, हम लोग तुरंत क्लास 11 और क्लास 12 लेवल तक पहुंच जाएंगे, लेकिन यहाँ से शुरू करना जरूरी है. सो आई हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस लेवल. नाउ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल टेल यू इज दैट, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन द न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन, न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम फॉर केमिस्ट्री इज लाइक दिस. कन्वर्ट क्वेश्चन जो है, कन्वर्ट the following temperature to Celsius स्केल. सेल्सियस स्केल में टेम्परेचर को बदलना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए है, व्हाट इज दिस? इट टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चन आई एम गिविंग 300 केल्विन and B is given 300 Kelvin and 573 Kelvin. So how can we solve this? Here facts we have to understand. Okay, 0 degree C Kelvin is equal to 273.16 Kelvin, and 100 degree C is equal to 100 will be increased, it means 373.16 Kelvin. Okay, for convenience means सुविधा के लिए, convenience we take, okay, 0 degree as 273 Kelvin. Okay, in the same way this will be 373 Kelvin. Solution: how can we solve this question? Very simply we can solve this question. 300 Kelvin equal to 300 minus 273. This will be now in the Celsius scale. This becomes 10 minus 3 7, and 9 minus 7 2, and 2 cancel. It means this is 27 degrees Celsius. In the same way 573, number A question solved. Number B solution: 573 Kelvin, degree Kelvin may be written, then it will become 573 minus 273. Okay, degree Celsius it is coming. This will become 3 minus 3 0, 7 minus 7 0, and 5 minus 3 5 minus 2 becomes 3. This is 300 degrees Celsius. This is your answer. Okay, this is also your answer. Okay, now second question that I have to solve for you. Second question, number 2 question: convert the following temperature to Kelvin. It means Kelvin we have to solve. Kelvin scale, Kelvin. Okay, this question we are going to solve. We have to make up, consider in your mind that we can take this value also 0.16 for a standard solution, but lower solution also can be some use for some use. Lower solution भी some use के लिए हो सकता है. तो its solution will be directly 25 degree Celsius. This becomes in Kelvin 25 plus 273. This is coming to be here to be added. Okay, जोड़ने के लिए यहाँ आ रहा है. This becomes what? 3587. This is becoming 5387 to 9 and 2 becomes here. Okay, this is in Kelvin, or we can write 298.16 Kelvin. And the second question, that is 373 degree Celsius. This becomes 373 plus 273. Okay, it becomes in Kelvin. So now after adding 336, 7, 7, 14, carry 1, 21336, 646 Kelvin, or what we can write, this as taking this 1.16, this becomes 646.16 Kelvin. Okay. Students, we are going to the next numerical problem given in chapter 2 of chemistry, 2 of class 9. This is for actually very important practice. Okay, what mass of, question is like this: what mass of potassium nitrate is needed to produce a saturated solution of potassium nitrate in 50 gram of water at 313 Kelvin? For your convenience, the question will be flashed, but you should listen the question. And now I am going to solve this question. Okay. Okay, solution I am writing. Solution of this question. Okay. Question number 3 है NCERT. Okay. चैप्टर 2 है. ओके, तो क्लास 9 के लिए है. तो सोल्यूशन में कैसे करेंगे, दैट्स आई एम टेलिंग. एक्चुअली देयर आर 4 क्वेश्चन, A, B, C and D. A नंबर क्वेश्चन आई एम ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व. मास ऑफ potassium nitrate, it means KNO3, to produce a saturated solution of KNO3, it means potassium nitrate. It's formula of KNO3 है ना, in 100 gram. Okay, is 100 gram water at 313 Kelvin is 62 gram. So actually it is given, ये given है. We have to find this value with the table given. इस table के value से हम लोग निकालना है. So now what will be the question? In 50 gram we have to find out. Okay, so actually 50 gram 100 gram 62 gram water is needed. So 62 ग्राम KNO3 मतलब पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट की जरूरत पड़ती है. 50 ग्राम के लिए निकालना बिल्कुल आसान है. Therefore since we can take given, it means otherwise you can write since also. Okay, so mass of KNO3 okay, to produce saturated solution okay, in 50 gram water at 313 Kelvin equal to what? How can we find out? So for 1 gram, actually unitary method we are going to use. So actually 62 gram given. For 100 gram it is 62 gram. For 1 gram it is 62 by 100. And for 50 gram we have to find out. Then we will multiply it by 50. This will be 0 cancel, 5 to the 10, and this will cancel it by 31. So 31 gram KNO3 is needed. Okay. So we have to write the answer of B number question. What will be obtained? The answer will be crystals. किसको बोलते हैं? रवे को बोलते हैं. It means the particles, fine particles. So crystals will be obtained. It means crystals प्राप्त किए जाएंगे. Crystals what? Crystals of KNO3. It means potassium nitrate. Okay, will be obtained on cooling the saturated solution. And the C question is very easy for you. I think looking at the table we can give the answer looking at the table. Okay, one example I am giving. Okay, so here we can write solubility of each salt. टेबल से देना है, सारणी से हम लोग को आंसर देना है. सोलिबिलिटी ऑफ ईच साल्ट, हर साल्ट का सोलिबिलिटी, हर साल्ट का सोलिबिलिटी, साल्ट को हम लोग लवण बोलते हैं, हर साल्ट का सोलिबिलिटी एट 293 केल्विन इज पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट. Okay, its solubility we have to find out. It means shortly we write KNO3, okay, is equal to, by table we can write the value 32 gram. Table its value is obtained by looking at the table. It is given 32 gram. Table can be used with the table में सारणी में हम लोग देखेंगे कि 293 केल्विन के नीचे पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट का क्या सोलिबिलिटी है वहाँ दिया हुआ है. Okay, with the table we have found out the value. टेबल से हम लोग वैल्यू निकाल चुके हैं. सोडियम क्लोराइड NaCl का सोलिबिलिटी 36 ग्राम, पोटेशियम क्लोराइड KCl वैल्यू 35 ग्राम, अमोनियम क्लोराइड NH4Cl वैल्यू 37 ग्राम. Okay, today thanks. In the next work I will tell you the other numerical problem. Okay.